high-spec insulation system is ideal for maximising energy efficiency throughout your home, warming your room up to 10 times faster than traditional heating systems. Before installation, ensure the floor surface is clean, dry and free from dust. Always make sure the floor is primed using a suitable primer. Please contact us if you are in any doubt. Using a floor trowel, comb a thick layer of our flexible tile adhesive onto the floor. The ProWarm boards should be firmly laid in place as you go, staggering the boards in a brick-like fashion. Boards can easily be cut to the exact shape that is required for fixtures already in place or for renovations. When installing the ProWarm insulation boards in rooms with wooden subfloors, ensure they are secured with screws and washers at 300mm intervals. In wet areas, use waterproof jointing tape to seal the joints between the boards. If you are still uncertain of any part of the installation process, then please call our Technical Support Centre for advice.